Xiaomi and Zhang Ruoxi were revising the script in the theater. Zhang Ruoxi, exhausted from several days of hard work, struggled to stay focused. Seeing this, Xiaomi played a simple song to lift his spirits. Zhang Ruoxi joked that Xiaomi should transfer some of her energy to him. Xiaomi humorously pretended to charge him by pressing their palms together. Zhang Roxy smiled and promised to return the energy once his mother was discharged from the hospital. On the day of the school anniversary performance, Lin Roli didn't show up at school. Xiaomi called her repeatedly but couldn't get through. Left with no choice, she asked Tianjarong and Fan Yuan to lead the singing temporarily. As they prepared for the play, they still couldn't contact Lin Roli. Zhang Roxy suggested that Xiaomi replace Lin Roli while he would take over narrating. However, Xiaomi insisted that Zhang Roxy was already busy playing the piano and couldn't handle the narration as well. Seeing Simon from the broadcasting team moving props, Xiaomi asked her to step in for the narration instead. Meanwhile, Lin Jinlong was retaliating against Lin Roli for reporting him. He locked her in a room and took her phone. Lin Role begged him repeatedly, but it was no use. When the performance began, the audience erupted in applause. Each student gave their best, and even director Dai, who was usually critical, gave rare praise. Backstage, Xiaomi was still worried about Lin Roli. Soon, Lin Jinlong called, demanding money in exchange for releasing her. Xiaomi panicked, but Zhang Roxy believed that strength lay in numbers. He organized a group of actors to carry out a rescue plan. Xiaomi, Zhang Roxy, and Fan Yuan arrived at Lin Roli's house first. Lin Jinlong refused to let her go and made some outrageous remarks. Xiaomi began calling for reinforcements. Soon, Liu Dayu arrived, dressed like a street thug, followed by Xiaojuni, Zhao Rui, and even Wang Xiaoyu and Tian Jarong, who had disguised themselves as female troublemakers. They threatened Lin Jinlong to release Lin Ruli. Still refusing, Lin Jinlong was finally intimidated when Liu Dayu gave the order, and Xiaojuni and Zhao Rui started smashing beer bottles as if preparing to cause trouble. Scared, Lin Jinlong reluctantly freed Lin Ruli. Grateful but weak, Lin Role barely spoke before fainting. The group carried Lin Roli out of the house and applied a fever patch, which helped her recover slightly. After learning about Lin Roli's struggles, her classmates apologized for misunderstanding her before. Lin Roli asked about the performance, and Wang Xiaoyu explained that Xiaomi had stepped in to play the heroine. A subtle, indescribable emotion flickered in Lin Roli's eyes. Zhang Roxy suggested that they all focus on studying to prepare for the upcoming exams. Lin Roli proposed they return to their secret base for group study. Zhang Roxy, however, mentioned that he'd be busy for a while and likely wouldn't make it. As he spoke, his phone rang, and he stepped aside to answer the call. Xiaomi looked concerned, and Fan Yuan followed up with a question to check on Zhang Roxy. It turned out to be a real estate agent calling to arrange a meeting with Zhang Roxy. Fan Yuan overheard and learned about Zhang Roxy's father preparing to sell the company. Zhang Roxy asked Fan Yuan to keep this a secret, especially from Xiaomi, promising to tell her everything once things were settled. That evening, Zhang Roxy signed a contract with the agent to sell their house. When he returned home, his father, drunk, mumbled that he could resolve the financial crisis. As Zhang Roxy poured water in the kitchen, he saw his father crying at the table. It was clear the family had hit rock bottom. On the weekend, Fan Yuan overheard his parents discussing lending money to Zhang Roxy's family. Zhang Roxy's father's company had fallen victim to a financial scam, and they had already hired a lawyer to help. When Fan Yuan tried to ask more questions, his parents told him to focus on his studies and prepare for studying abroad. However, Fan Yuan expressed a desire to delay his departure until the summer. Zhang Roxy went to meet Xiaomi outside her apartment. Xiaomi had guessed that something had happened to Zhang Roxy's family, but since he didn't want to talk about it, she didn't press him. Instead, she gave him an origami star to encourage him and boost his confidence. She also promised to work with him to prepare for applying to film school.